Hello friends, myself Kunal Anil Saurkar, lecturer in Electronics Department from Government Polytechnic Achalpur. Now today we are going to discuss about the half subtractor, how it works and how it performs. Let's see in details. Now the learning outcome. After watching the video, student will be able to design the half subtractor using KMap and the basic gates.
Now today we are going to discuss about the subtractor. Okay, subtractor means what? You can say subtraction, subtraction of the bits. Okay, it may be a two-bit subtraction or three-bit subtraction. Okay, now here is what there are two types of subtractor: half subtractor and a full subtractor. Okay, now let us see the half subtractor. I start with the half subtractor. Actually, I have to design a logical circuit for a half subtraction. Okay, I just want to design a logical circuit for this half subtractor. Okay, now what happened in half subtractor? Half subtractor means what? It is simply a subtraction between the two binary bits. Okay, now you can see here a half subtractor is a combinational circuit that subtracts the two bits and produces their difference. Okay, now the two bits are suppose this is a simple diagram, block diagram of, you can see the half subtraction. Okay, half subtractor, you are just subtracting the b from, suppose here, a. Okay, that is what, a minus b, and the outputs are the outputs are difference and borrow, difference and borrow. Okay, now these are my outputs. The inputs are, suppose I just want to subtract the two bits. Okay, 0, suppose this is 0 and b is 0, and 0 from 0. Suppose this is 0 and this one is what, your 1, that means what, 0 from 1. Suppose this one is my 1, this is my 0, 1 minus 0. Okay, or 1 minus 1. Okay, now I just want to just design a logical circuit. Now just here is what the inputs are, what, a and b, truth table for half subtraction. This is my truth table. Okay, half subtractor consists of what? It consists of two inputs and the two outputs. The inputs are a and b, the outputs are difference and borrow. Here now, and this is my truth table actually. The inputs are what? A and b. I am just subtracting the b from a. Now this is my output, this is my difference, and this is my borrow. Okay, this is my what? Output. Okay, so inputs are, it may be 0 and b may be 0, or a may be 0 or b may be 1, or a may be 1, it may be 0, or it both are 1. Okay, now you have to subtract this. Now 0, I'm just subtracting the b from a. 0 minus 0, 0, borrow is what? 0, everyone knows. Now here is what, a is 0 and b is 1, so 0 minus 1, that is what, 1, and borrow is 1 here in this case. The next, this is a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 0, so 1 minus 0, that is what, 1, and borrow is what, 0. So next, 1 minus 1, 0, borrow is what, 1. This is my truth table. This is my simple truth table for half subtractor. It consists of two inputs, a and b, and these are my output. This one is my output, you can write here, and this one is my what? Inputs. Okay, so inputs are a and b, and this is one my. Now the Boolean expression for the outputs of the half subtractor can be determined just by simply by using KMap. Okay, now you have this difference and borrow, these two are my outputs. So KMap for, you have to just draw the KMap for difference, and then next for the borrow. Now the KMap for what? KMap for what? KMap for difference. KMap for difference. Okay, here KMap for what? Difference. Now consider only the difference common. Okay, the inputs are what? A and b. These two are the inputs. You have to draw the KMap, and it requires a two variable KMap. So everyone knows the KMap, how to draw the KMap. Suppose two variable KMap. Okay, and I'm just taking the a on this side and b on this side. So a is 0 or it may be 1. Now b, it may be 0 or it may be 1. This is my what? KMap. KMap for what? A two variable KMap. Okay, Now here, come here. I'm just considering here what the difference. Consider only the difference. You have to put this one. You have to put this one. Where you are putting this one, you have to put this one here. When a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1. So a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1. B is equal to that means here. Just by combining this point, you have to put this one here. The next, you have to put this one. Where you are putting this one, you are putting this one here. A is equal to 1 and b is equal to 0. A is equal to 1 and b is equal to 0. That means what here? You are putting this one here. Okay. Now, this is my simple. These are my values of a. I'm just considering soft, so that's why for 0, I'm just taking the complement. It will get easy write the equations. This is my b. Okay. Now you can go directly diagonal grouping, and if you don't know the diagonal grouping, just group of single bits. You can group a single bit. Okay. For this single bit group, you know how to write the equation. Just taking the a bar and into this is my b. Now for this one, just taking this row, that is what a, and just into b bar, just add them, so this is the simple expression for what difference. So difference is equal to a bar into b plus a b bar. This is my simple XOR gate. Right? You can go directly, just if you don't know the diagonal grouping, then you can go through the single bit group. Okay. Suppose diagonal grouping was there, you can directly write the equations this. Okay. No need to just go through this. You can directly write them. Okay. So this is my difference equation. This is my what? Difference XOR gate. Okay. Now the KMF for I just want to draw the KMF for borrow. Next move on to the borrow. KMF for what? Borrow. Here. Okay, KMF for what? Borrow. So again the inputs are same. Inputs are what? A and B. These two are the inputs. Okay. A may be 0 or 1. B may be 0 or 1. I'm just taking the A on this side and B on this side. 0 bar A, B bar or B. Okay, I already told you. Now consider only the here borrow. Here consider. Here, sorry, here is what? Borrow is what? 0. Okay, borrow is what? 0. 1 minus 1, 0, and borrow is what? 0. Okay. Now here, consider here. Borrow. You have to put this one. Where are you putting this one? You are putting this one here. When A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1. A is equal to 0. Here, these are the values of what? A. A is equal to 0 and B is equal to what? 1. B is equal to 1 means what? Here. You are putting this one here. Okay. You have to just group single bit group. The equation for this is my A bar and just taking B. This is my equation for what? Borrow. So borrow is equal to A bar into B. Okay. Now the logical diagram for this. Logical diagram for half subtractor. Okay. I just want to. You are getting this equation for borrow and for the difference. You are getting this expression. So the inputs are what? A and B. Inputs are what? A and B. Outputs are difference and borrow. Inputs are A and B. Suppose this is my A input. This is my A input, and this is my this is my B input, right? So for the difference, this is my XOR gate simple. You have to draw the XOR gate. This is my what? XOR gate. Okay. XOR gate. Sorry, so this is my XOR gate. And for what? This is for difference. This is for difference output. And the inputs are what? A and B. Inputs are what? A and B. I'm just taking the A from here and B from here. Okay. You can show like this just for better understanding the inputs. Okay. This is my A. This is one. Now for the borrow, this is my simple A bar into B. Here is what? This is the. You have to just check here. The inputs are what? A bar into B. A bar, and this is my B. Okay. This is my A bar into B. So, but here you are having the A. For just to get the A bar, you need a NOT gate here. So here is A is converting here into A bar. Okay, you are getting this output. This is my B. Now this is for what? The borrow. This is for what? Borrow. Now this is the simple logical circuit for half subtractor. If you are giving the inputs here 0 0, you are getting the output is what? Here 0, here is 0. If you are giving the input is here 0 and 1, you are getting the output here 1 1. If you are getting the input is 1 0, you are getting the output is what? 1 0. If you are getting the input 1 1, you are getting the output 0 0. Okay. Now all this about the half subtractor.